Hey, don't ask questions. Come with me. Come with me. Check this out. Check this out. I know if you guys are like me, you can appreciate the rainfall shower. Yes. What is going on, beautiful people? It's your real estate go-to, Diante, here as always in the beautiful Clermont area in another new construction home just for you. Okay, guys, so this home features 4 to 6 bedrooms, depending on what you guys are looking for, 3 to 4 bathrooms, right? 3,000 plus square feet of just amazingness, as you guys are going to see. In addition to this particular builder, guys, you have $20,000 that you can use for this month of December, right? The incentive change once a month, but it's $20,000 for whether you want to use it towards upgrades, financing, or anything like that. On top of the fact that they're giving you guys $5,000 for financing, point blank, period. So it's in total a $25,000 value, guys. So let's check out this home and see what you think. There you guys have it. As you know, my contact information is going to be right down here below for you to reach out. Guys, you have any questions, you want to set up a private tour or anything like that, don't hesitate to reach out so we can make it happen for you, okay? And always remember, in real estate, there are only two people that can get you exactly what you want, okay? That's D and you. Talk soon, guys.